Hi friends, welcome back to another video of Python 320. So in this video we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook and how to run your first script or your first program in Jupyter Notebook. So in next video I will tell you the difference between Jupyter Lab and Notebook, and then we will be performing certain pandas operations in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so let's move on to today's agenda. I will go to the Python folder and I will install Jupyter Notebook through my Python folder. If you see, guys, my Python folder is here and script. I will select this entire path and then cmd, enter. I have this command prompt with the path fit. So here we have Python Jupyter Notebook successfully installed. Go to any folder where you want to run your first script and then write your program there. So let me go to tutorials. For example, I have already a folder called Jupyter Notebook. I will go inside this folder, select, and then cmd. You just have to tap Jupyter Notebook. It will automatically start Jupyter Notebook with your default browser. Enter. So here you have your Jupyter Notebook in front of you right now. So let's create a folder. The first step is to create a folder. So you can click on here, new, and then create a folder. And then you can rename the folder. For renaming the folder, you have to select this checkbox, and then you have to select this rename command. And then you rename my first script. Click on rename. So you have a folder, my first script. Click on this folder. You are inside the folder now. You can see on top. And then you have to add a new Python file here. Click from here. IPy kernel. So you have the file here. Now let's, for example, hi GP, and then shift enter. Okay, 3 plus 5, shift enter. 9 minus 3, shift enter. And if you want to rename your script, you just have to click here, my script 1. Alright, if you want to see where is your script created, then let me show you. So this is the folder where we had run Jupyter Notebook, you must be remembering, and then this is the folder which is created by Jupyter Notebook. Inside this folder you will have your script available. That's for today. Learn Python programming, data analytics, Jupyter Notebook and automation. Please subscribe to my channel. Share the link of my video to your friends. Thank you very much for your time. Happy learning.